Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel, and in today's episode we're gonna learn the following topics, and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello guys, today I will explain you tuple unpacking. So tuple unpacking means assigning each element of the tuple to a separate variable in a single line. So we have assigned a tuple t is equal to tuple, and then we can also assign variables like as t is equal to a, b, c. Now a will get value 1 and b will get 2 and c will get 3. And then if we do print a, print b, and print c, it will print 1, 2 and 3. This is called unpacking of a tuple. So each variable a, b, c take the value from the tuple in order. So number of variables must match the elements. Which means if we have 3 values here, there must be 3 variables here. Here cannot be 2 variables or 4 variables. This will cause an error. And there's a bonus point. We can use a star to unpack the rest. For example, we can do like this as well. So first print a and then the rest values. If we print the rest values like in here, the rest values are 2 and 3, 2 and 3. The rest values are 2 and 3. So if we run this code, it will print a, b and c like this. 1, 2 and 3. This is a, b and c. And then it will print a here, and then rest it will print 2 and 3 here. Hopefully you understand how to unpack the tuple. Let me know in the comment if you like this video and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, do you want to become hero from zero in Python? Let's learn about list methods. So what is a method? Methods are functions that are built into objects in Python. They perform specific action using the data stored in those objects. So for example, I have a list here and I can call a method function on it by using a dot. So for example, I have a fruit list, then I want to append this list. So I am using a dot and then method name, and I can change the list with this method. So today I will show you 5 top methods of lists. The first one is append method. This method adds an item to the end. For example, I'm using a dot here and append. I want to add orange into this list. So I'm calling this function by putting a dot and then method name, and then fruit is the list, and then I want to add orange, and then I set in fruits. I can just write print fruits, which will print the fruits, but I am adding this text just for visual so you can understand the difference. So if you don't write this, nothing will happen. If it prints the fruits like this, as you can see here, it printed the fruits like here, but this one just add text, so it's useful when you're looking at the result. So and we'll add this item into this list. Let's run this code and see the result. As in here, it's apple, banana and orange, and then we have remove the first matching item. So I want to remove banana from this list, and it will then print this list. Only apple and orange will left, and then there is a function sort which will sort the list. So it will sort this list alphabetically, and then we have a function or method pop. It will remove and return the last item. So last item equal to fruit dot pop, print popped item, last item orange, print after pop apple. And then we have fifth and last one is extend. This will add item from another list. So I have this list and I want to extend the existing list, and I can use dot extend to add this list into the other list. So it will print all fruits together. Let's run this program and see. As in here, it joined two lists. Hopefully you understand list method today and you learned something new. Let me know in the comment if you got any question, and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, today I will show you top 5 operations on tuple. As tuple in Python are immutable sequences, so they don't have methods like list. However, they have operations that are commonly used with tuple. So to make you understand the operations of tuple, I had declared a tuple here as 1, 2, 3 and so on. And then first operation is count. It will count the occurrences of a value. So for example, I want to count how many times number 2 appears in the tuple. So I can do this by calling count function t.count into 2. I just wrote this string to make you understand when we run this code and what are we doing. So this is just a string that will come together with this result. So the main part is just this one, t.count into 2. So I want to count the appearance of food. So it appear 1, 2 and 3 times, and this will give the output 3. Let's run this code and see the result. As in here, it gives the result 3. The second one is index. Find the first index of a value. So index will return the position of the first occurrence of a specified value in a tuple. So for example, where does 2 appears in the tuple? So this is 0, this is 1. I'm telling you about the index position. This is 2, 3, 4 and 5. As it appears on the index 1, then it will give the output as 1. And then we have length, which will count the total number of elements, which is total number of element is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have tuple unpacking. So for example, we have a tuple a, b, c, d, e, f is equal to t, and then unpacked value will be a, b, c, and this will give the output of 1, 2, 3. And then we have in keyword. This will check if the value exists or not. Is 4 exist in the tuple? Yes, it does exist in the tuple, so it will return true. Hopefully you understand the basic operations of tuples. Hello guys, did you know that you can ignore values using underscore while unpacking a tuple? So for example, I have values, I have a tuple with these values, and I want to unpack them and assign them to x and y, but I want the first value and the last value to be assigned to x and then to y. How can I skip these values? So what I can do is I can put an underscore to skip these values. When I will do print x and y, it will print 1 and 4. If you want to skip some values while unpacking, you can use underscore to skip the values. Did you know about this trick? If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, have you ever heard of encapsulation in Python? Let me break it down for you. So think of a bank account. You can deposit or withdraw the money, but you cannot just change your balance directly. That's called encapsulation. So here I have an example without encapsulation. So without capsulation, anyone can just set your balance to anything. That's risky. That shouldn't be happening. So let me comment out this code and show you a code with encapsulation. So this is the code with encapsulation. Let's break down this code. So here you are defining a class called account, and think of this as a blueprint of a bank account. And then we have def in itself. This is a constructor method. It runs automatically when you create a new account object. And self represents the object being created, and self.balance is equal to 0. So you are creating a private variable called balance. Underscore, double underscore means this variable should not be accessed directly from the outside class. It encapsulates the balance and hide it from the outside world. And def deposit self amount. So this is a public method that allows you to add money to the balance. It adds amount to the private balance. This is a control way to modify the balance. And def get balance self, this is another public method. It returns the current balance but still doesn't allow outside code to change it directly. Again, you can see the data but you cannot mess with it directly. So balance is a hidden private variable. You use deposit and get balance to interact with it. This protects the internal state of the object and ensure only valid operations are allowed. Hopefully you understand what is encapsulation. So next time when you write your Python code, remember to lock your money up. Use encapsulation. And if you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, today I will explain you what is inheritance in Python. So inheritance in Python is a way to create a new class called child or subclass that is based on an existing class called a parent class. So this child class inherits the attributes and methods from the parent's class that will allow code to reuse and ability to extend or modify behavior. So I have an example code here. In this class animal is the parent class and then class dog is the child class. So let's understand this code. So we have a parent class and it has a method speak. That's it, animal makes sound. Now we have child class dog which can inherit the seek method from the parent class. So we can use seek method with our child class. So inheritance lets you reuse the code and customize behavior. Easy and very powerful. Hopefully you understand what is inheritance and how inheritance works. So it can inherit methods from the parent class and then we can use them in the child class. If we run this code, it will print like this. So this is from child class and this is from parent class. Hopefully you understand today about inheritance. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, did you ever heard of function annotations in Python? Today I will tell you what are function annotations. So function annotation let you attach a metadata, often type hints, to a function's parameter and return value. So they are just suggestions. Python doesn't enforce them, but tools like MyPy, HiLint and modern IDEs use them to catch bugs early. So I have defined a function here, and here name str, this is a hint which means name should be a string. So this doesn't do anything, it's just a hint that name should be a string. And then we have age int, this doesn't do anything, it gives you a hint that age should be an integer. And then we have this str, this tells you that this function returns a string. And then we can access annotations by using underscore, annotation and underscore. This will print the annotations in your output. Let's run this code and see the output. So here it printed all the annotations. This doesn't do anything fancy, but it has other programmers and tools exactly what types we expect. Python doesn't enforce them, it's just a hint. Great for documentation and for the tools like MyPy to catch the bugs early. Function annotation make your code more readable, more checkable and just plain better. Try them in your next project and follow for more Python modes. Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna learn about what are args in Python. So let's understand a normal function with parameter first. So we define a function greet and then name is a parameter and then we said print hello name, and then we can call the function by writing the name of the function and our parameter which is Alice, and it will greet the person Alice. But what if we want to accept many names or key value pairs like name, Alice, age 25, etc. So let's first understand args. Args are the function that lets you pass any number of positional arguments into a function. So here is a function with arg parameter. So here we put arg in the parameter place and then we're using a loop for loop in here, and then we can call the function and put multiple arguments or multiple parameters inside, and it will greet all the names together as in here. So here it greeted Alice, and then for this function it greeted Alice, Bob, and Charlie. So inside the function, arg is a tuple. Hopefully you understand where we use arg in Python and why we use it and what are its benefits. In my next video, we're gonna learn about kwargs in Python. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna learn about kwargs in Python. What are they and why are they used? So here is a normal function with a parameter. The function name is greet and name is a function parameter. And then we print the name with a hello string by calling the name of the function. This is a simple normal function with a parameter. But what if we want to accept many names or key value pairs? Then we need kwargs parameter. Kwarg lets your function to accept any number of keyword arguments, name or equal to value pairs, and inside the function kwargs become a dictionary. So we define a function as show info, and kwarg is a function parameter, and then we are looping through the dictionary and printing each key value pair. And we run this code and give the following output: name Alice, age 25, city. So hopefully you understand what kwarg lets you do and what are they. So basically they accept number of named arguments like dictionaries. Hopefully you understand what are kwargs in Python. Press the like button and follow for more videos like this.